Hi everyone, my name is Dalanur Islami from third year student of Public Administration, Class A. I will present Foreign Policy in Hungary. Hungarian policy on refugees in Europe in 2015 until 2017. Hungary. This is further clarified by the route taken by refugees from the Middle East to Europe. Refugees enter Europe to Turkey, then to Greece, to Serbia, and finally to their final destination is Hungary. Hungary also has a history of hosting refugees during the Balkan Wars. However, the number is outnumbered by the number of refugees coming from countries experiencing conflict in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. This is certainly a very worrying government and citizen of Hungary. Immigration cases became the three biggest problems facing Hungary in 2015. From the beginning, it was only 13%, then it increased to 65%. This is because immigration issues are often associated and terrorism. Therefore, Hungary's treatment of immigration from various levels was different. The Hungarian government campaigns to isolate refugees, and the increased number of refugees played a major role in the change that Hungary made. Security aspect of Hungarian policy against refugees in Europe. First, terrorism threat. On 15 March 2015, PM Orbán stated that Europe is not a place where freedom is upheld, because if freedom is upheld, Europeans will be allowed to speak the truth. According to PM Orbán, with Europe's decision to accept as many refugees as possible, Europe indirectly chooses not to see the fact that immigration issues threaten European security. In addition, the increase in the number of refugees can bring crime and invite terror attack to Europe. Second, economic threat. In addition, these asylum seekers and refugees can threaten the stability of job opportunities in Hungary. With them, surely they will try to get a job in Hungary, taking jobs belonging to the Hungarians. Even the government opposition and groups from various walks of life cannot deny the discourse formed by the government and government parties. And last, identity threat. With the government opinion like that, they also carried out campaigns in several forms, one of which was a billboard campaign carried out in the summer and campaigns against the EU quota system at the end of the year. The government also controlled the Hungarian public and free media. The billboard campaign started in June 2015. One of the billboard campaigns contains messages such as: first, if you come to Hungary, you must respect our culture. Second, if you come to Hungary, you must respect our laws. And last, if you come to Hungary, you must not take a Hungarian public job. This message was written in Hungarian. Fake one, but it turns out that this wire installation is considered less effective because the wire is still easy to cut or even leave. In the end, the fence is constructed of steel and rolled up of barbed wire is attached to the top of bottom of the fence. Fact 2. The second border fence has better technology in the previous fence. This fence is equipped with motion sensor, loudspeaker, and electric wires. In fact, there are still many asylum seekers who try to jump over this fence every day. The number of people allowed into these two zones has been reduced from 100 per day to 50, 30, 20, and now 10 per day on weekdays and 0 on holidays. The Hungarian Office of Immigration and Asylum stated that the decline was due to a government request. Asylum seekers do not need documents to enter the transit zones. However, with the help of an interpreter, an interrogation is carried out in which the asylum applicant must provide valid reason why they left their country of origin. Control. The border fence is monitored 24 hours by the Hungarian army and police, since the police are generally not trained to monitor this complex border in August 2016. The police force began recruiting and training border hunters. Unfortunately, the border hunters didn't fully train in the end because the prospective border hunters didn't meet the qualification. Hungary has received criticism for its statement of prolonged detention of asylum seekers and minimal social integration efforts for asylum seekers and refugees. Hungary 2015 asylum law allows for detention of asylum seekers and immigrants in detention centers for up to 12 months due to the asylum seekers' problems which have not been successful in court. This detention center was originally created for people who had entered or left Hungary illegally. This, of course, happened because asylum seekers generally do not have valid visas and documents when they come to Hungary. According to the amendment law, the government has the right to issue decree listing the criteria for a safe country, according to the Hungarian authorities. The regulation aims to make it easier for Hungary to reject asylum seekers, refugees, and immigrants. According to the new law, asylum seekers who pass through a country that Hungary considers safe upon arriving in Hungary are required to prove that it was impossible for them to obtain asylum in their previous country. Thank you so much for your attention. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.